Everybody's time to shake. Look at that little girl doing that shake dance. All right then, that's what I'm talking about. That's all right. Talk about shaking on your hands and knees. Do that shaking this as you please. Do the shake dance, mama. Shake dance, mama. Shake dance, mama. Do this as you please. I got a woman, she's long and tall. Sleeps in the kitchen with her feet in the hall. Do the shake dance, mama. Shake dance, mama. Shake dance, mama. Do this as you please. Yes, now little girl, come here and stand by me. That's what I'm talking about. Now face the audience. Now just shake this as you please. Now just take your time. That's what I'm talking about. Do your shaking, mama, this as you please. Do that shake like the Jack Dupree. Do the shake dance, mama. Shake dance, mama. Do the shake dance, mama. Do this as you please. Put your hand back and neck, back up against the wall. With that kind of shake, you bound to make them fall. Do the shake dance, mama. Yeah, shake dance, mama. Do the shake dance, mama. You bound to make them fall.